Look at this. This is so weird. It's a manual freight elevator in a public building. So if you'd like to read the instructions, there you go. Looks like our elevator is down below. Here it comes. Oh, wait a minute. There's no inner gate. What? All right. All right, that's close enough. Nice. All right, let's close the door up. Oh, I see. You're supposed to get these two red lines aligned. Check this out. Rosenberg, a safe flight to any height. That's cool. All right, let's have a safe flight up to the top floor. Oh, that's the inching buttons. Oh, the leveling buttons work. We're gonna have to demonstrate those at the end of the video. In the meantime, let's go up to the top. Look at this, no inner door either on this public elevator. What a strange elevator. I love that Rosenberg logo. That's really cool. Let's see how many floors we have left to go. Looks like we still have a couple till we're at the top. Holding the button in. Huh, that's not how Roman numerals work. Oh, that's tally marks I reckon they're using. And then I'm assuming it'll stop on its own. Yes, it does. There's the top. And look, there's the car top station. It's literally just another COP. Here is the data, Wisconsin registration or whatever, and then Rosenberg. Is there a date on here? Doesn't look like it. All right, down to the bottom. There's your certificate. All right, here we go. You know what? We'll watch out the top this time. First floor, and it's a bit of a distance because the lobby is of course higher than everything else. Not too far down. Now you'll see how we level it. We just got to get these red lines aligned. I'd say that's a pretty good job. You know, no, that just looks like traveling cables. I was gonna say that looks like perhaps it used to be a pulled rope. Check out this mechanism. We're gonna watch it. Watch. We'll move the thing out the way and watch the. Pretty cool. Anyway, open this back up. Very strange. I've never seen a manual freight elevator for public use before, but that's it. Oh, wait. We gotta show the inching. I almost forgot. Let's show the inching because I don't usually see elevators with this where it still works. So let's, look at that. You can inch it. Pretty cool. Let's get it right. There we go. All right. Anyway, that will be it for this video.